In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a recorded video from Microsoft Teams. Whether you're saving an essential meeting recording or simply want to keep a copy for later review, downloading from Microsoft Teams is straightforward when you know the steps. Let's dive in and get started together. Firstly, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Microsoft Teams. A quick search on Google should lead you right there. This will bring you to the Teams homepage, a hub for all your communication, where you can attend meetings, chat with colleagues, and more. Once you're on the Microsoft Teams homepage, you'll see an option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. Ensure you have your login credentials ready, as we'll need them in the next step. This is where you enter your account details to log in. It might be your work or educational account, so be sure to use the right credentials. After logging in, you're taken into the heart of your Teams environment. Next up, you'll want to find the chat section. On the left-hand side of your screen, there should be a menu bar that includes various options like activity, chat, teams, and so on. Click on chat to open up conversations. This is where most of your recorded video files end up, typically associated with the meetings or calls in which they were recorded. Now that you're in the chat section, scroll through your conversations and click on the one where the video you're looking to download is located. Look for the chat or conversation thread that contains the recording you need. Within your chosen chat, locate the video you want to download. Often, it's easy to spot since it will display a video thumbnail and the recording details. Once you've found it, look for three dots or an ellipsis icon that's usually situated on the top right corner of the video thumbnail. Click on these three dots. This action reveals more options related to the video. You might see choices like watch, share, and of course the one we're interested in, download. These additional options offer further control over the content in Teams, but today our focus is downloading. Finally, click on Download Video. At this point, your browser will prompt you with options for where you wish to save the video file on your local machine. Choose your preferred location and your download should commence promptly. Ensure you have enough storage space and a good internet connection to facilitate a smooth download process. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a recorded video from Microsoft Teams. Now you can access this recording offline at your convenience, adding it to your repository of valuable information. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Remember, being organized with your downloaded files makes finding and utilizing them much easier in the future. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. See you next time.